in starting a business, especially sa startup, no, number one, like what I said, you focus on your strength, no. Ano ba yung nakikita mo? So you have your resources, yung skills na meron ka, that to be able na pwede mo maumpisahan agad, na hindi mo kailangan ng malaking capital, no. Second is, as an entrepreneur, you look for a problem, no? Kasi problem solver ka eh. You address yung market needs, no? Just for example, in sales, merong kailangan ng ganito na packaging. Wala kang packaging, you look for supplier. I-address mo yung needs niya. Ito available na ano. So, ayun po yung titingnan natin to be able to start, no? Kung bakit ako, napakasimple kong tao kasi you just need to, lagi tinuturo sa tao ko, simplify everything. The procedure.
Huwag mong gawing komplikado.
No? So, kung tingin mo, 1, 2, 3, mag-brainstorm ka, 3 idea, ano yung tingin mo maumpisa mo ng isa, gawin mo. Kung hindi mag-click, yung pangalawa, pangatlo, no? Yung iba kasi, pag naumpisa yung isa, ito gusto ko ito lang gusto ko. Hindi nag-click, sasama yung loob, titigil na, no? So
wag sumama ang loob.
Sumama ang loob eh. Kaya as an entrepreneur po, especially MSME, maliit pa lang tayo, no? Then continuous learning, continuous growth. Ang kagandahan ngayon, like for example, banggitin ko na rin sa DTI, together with Go Negosyo, meron tayong kapatid mentoring program.
Yes.
So that is one of the keys ingredient or susi sa paglago ng mga MSME ngayon, mga micro, small, medium enterprises with the help of mentoring, training. Libre po ito. Wala pong bayad. They need to, they just need to go to negosyo center. So, bawat bayan, municipality, may negosyo center po. Libre po yung training. Tanong lang nila ano yung training program na mayroon po.